To help you understand why connective tissue is important, let's take a look at this short rib, which has plenty of connective tissue and a good amount of fat. Collagen is a shiny, web-like protein, which you can clearly see when the meat is pulled apart. You can even see it here between the fibers of the meat. Collagen plays a vital role in combination cooking because during the slow cooking process, it dissolves as gelatin. Gelatin is important because as it melts, it sticks to the molecules and particles of flavor within the liquid, essentially trapping the flavors and bringing everything together. To help you better understand why gelatin is so vital, we'll cook two different, tougher cuts of meat. This beef shank contains plenty of connective tissue and a good amount of fat, whereas this lean eye of round has very little. Each will be slowly cooked in equal amounts of water until fork tender. During the long, slow cooking process, the connective tissue melts into gelatin. This gelatin is much easier to see when the liquid has completely chilled. You can clearly see how much gelatin the liquid from the beef shank contains, in comparison to the liquid from the eye of round. This is due to the amount of connective tissue present in the beef shank. This is essentially the same thing you learned with stocks. The more collagen and connective tissue the bones contain, the more viscosity or body the stock will have. One final note: some connective tissue, in the form of silver skin, is very thick and does not dissolve during the cooking process. This tough silver skin should be removed and discarded before cooking. However, make sure to not trim off too much fat, as the fat contributes both flavor and moisture to the dish.